Hi friends, Dashera is near. In this video, let's talk about Dashera, which is also known as Navaratri, Durga Puja, Durgotsav, etc., and is celebrated for 9 nights. In northern India, the name itself memorized the history. Dashera. Yes, it is to commemorate the killing of Ravana by Rama. It's also a celebration of female divinity. It marks the killing of Mahishasura by Devi Durga. Whatever the story is, it marks the victory of good over the evil. Now let's talk about how Navaratri is celebrated in different states of India. Each state has its own unique way of celebration. In West Bengal, Odisha, Assam, and Bihar, Navaratri is celebrated as Durga Puja. Last 4 days are very important. These days are referred to as Saptami, Ashtami, Navami, and Dashami. In West Bengal, it's one among the main festival and is celebrated with great pomp and glitter. Large-sized idols of goddess Durga on her lion slaying Mahishasura, Lord Ganesha, Kartikeya, Devi Lakshmi, and Saraswati are erected. Bengali women wearing their traditional red sari and sindoor offer pujas to goddess. Sound of dole is heard everywhere. The Durga Puja celebration in West Bengal is a must-watch in the lifetime. In Tamil Nadu, Navaratri means seeking the blessings of Devi Durga, Lakshmi, and Saraswati in the 9 special nights. The 3 Devis are worshipped for 3 days each. Friends and relatives are invited and clothes, sweets, and jewelries are gifted. The most interesting part is that as a part of celebration, Kolu is decorated. Kolu is a staircase which has 9 stairs. Each stair represents knights and they are decorated with beautiful dolls, mainly of god and goddesses. These dolls are mainly being handed over from generation to generation. The Kolu in Tamil Nadu turns to Batakamma Panduga in Andhra Pradesh. It means come alive mother goddess. The 9 nights are dedicated to Devi Shakti. Women make a beautiful flower stack known as Batukamma and arrange it with seasonal flowers. Wearing traditional clothes and jewelry, they perform puja in front of Batukamma on the last day. They set afloat their Batukammas in some water body. In Kerala, Navaratri is just 3 days. Books, musical instruments, work accessories, and weapons are kept in front of Devi Saraswati on the day of Ashtami and they are worshipped till Dashami. On Dashami, the books and materials are taken out and used. Also, small kids who are not to learning yet are taught to write first on this day. And new business ventures would be started and also purchase new vehicles on this day. In Karnataka, the long legacy of Navaratri follows from the time of Vijayanagara Empire. The way it's celebrated is exactly the same as the 15th century. They celebrate 9 nights and is known as Nada Habba. The rituals include elephant procession on streets, kolus at home, fairs, exhibitions, etc. Maharashtra and Gujarat celebrations are almost same, celebrated for 9 days. Fasting and food restrictions are done during 9 days. Devi Shakti is involved in these days. During the evening, earthen pots with holes and diyas inside, known as garbi, is used to perform aarti. Also, garba and dandiya dance forms are done by women wearing their traditional attires. Married women invite friends and gift coconut, betel leaves, and betel nuts. Also, new business and engagements are started during this time. Himachal Pradesh. Here, the festival starts on the 10th day when the festival ends in other states. On the 10th day, Kulu Dashera, the return of Lord Rama to Ayodhya, is celebrated. They visit the temples and the idols from the temples are taken out in processions. Punjab, people fast on the first 7 days and end the fast on Ashtami or Navami by worshipping 9 little girls and a boy. This is known as Kanjika. They organize Jagrata where they keep awake the whole night and worship Devi Shakti. Uttar Pradesh and Delhi. Here, the statue of Ravan is set on fire, which shows the victory of good over evil. Actors in the attire of Rama, Lakshman, Hanuman perform the epic, and people get thrilled to see them assassinating the idols of Ravan, Kumbhakarna, and Meghanath. This is known as Ramalila. Yes, during those 9 days, people of India forget all their personal worries and celebrate Navaratri with their friends and relatives. The 9 days of devotion, fasting, and rejuvenating are near. Thank you for watching the video. Please like, share, and subscribe our channel.